our last day in Acadia, we are actually going to the BEEHIVE trail. Me and my dad are going to the BEEHIVE trail, but my mom and my brother are actually going to Sandy Beach. Right now we parked our car in Sandy Beach. There's a parking lot, but it's usually full because Acadia is a beautiful place. After we drop my mom and my brother there, we are going to the BEEHIVE trail. One of the hardest hike I've ever been to in my channel so far. So, I'm ready for this. Let's do this. I dropped my brother here at Sand Beach, and now we're going to go to BEEHIVE. So today, we're just out of the beach, and now we're going to BEEHIVE.
Yes,
That's
all the way up there. Up.
This is going to be the hardest hike we've ever done. We are in BEEHIVE. BEEHIVE time, guys. What? Look at it. And the kids. We're entering the second stretch, where I think it's the hardest, because the iron rungs are here. My brother, my mom, and their friends are right over there on that beach. I wish you could say hi to them. We did the iron rungs part. It was pretty hard, but we did it. So now we're heading toward the summit. Phase 3 or 4. Phase 4. We finished phase 4, we're on phase 5. Just look at it. Look at the view. Such nice ocean. It's the Atlantic Ocean. We have to go across that bridge now. And, ooh, there's a super small ledge. I guess we have to go across that. We have to.
Just make sure you're holding that. I know, right, buddy?
We're at the top. We're finally at the top. We're at the summit. We're 520 feet or 160 meter in the air. That's it. We're going down from the summit back to the starting point. I think this is the easiest part because there are no iron runs. And the pro rock climbing. He is not pro. So we are done with our Beehive hike, and we are done with our 30 to 45 minutes little experience in the sand beach. It was amazing. I loved Beehive. It was probably the best and hardest hike I've been to on my channel so far. So we're heading back, and we're going to Bar Harbor. We're gonna do some stuff there, and probably we'll eat dinner there. It's the last day. We're heading home tomorrow.